With WebFOCUS 820728, there are a few changes, especially on the homepage. So, and now if you want to create a synonym or master file, simply click the plus, and from here you're immediately going to be able to start two dialogues. You can select get data, which is going to get you the most basic dialog to create new master files or synonyms or metadata in the system. So that kind of gets you to the basic dialog, very simple steps. Select your database, select your connection, and there you're able to pick up your tables. Whenever you want to build more complex metadata construct like cluster synonyms with multiple tables where you're going to reflect a star schema or snowflake, select the plus and select get data advanced. And this will allow you to build a more complex type of element. So now here you can now select you want to build a cluster, which is going to be a metadata element. It combines fact and dimension tables by just simply selecting your fact and dimensions, and it's going to build you exactly the structure you need. So have fun.